Hey family and friends, I wanted to share this recipe with you. It's a high protein pancake and I promise you, you will not miss the flour. Here's the recipe.
1 generous tablespoon of a nut butter. Now I used almond, but you could use peanut butter as well. And 1 egg. Add an essential oil of your choice. I used cinnamon, but the options are also lemon, wild orange, Madagascar, vanilla.
Okay, so let me know if you try this recipe and what essential oils would you put in it? Let us know in the comments.
Also, please like and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. I try and post every week.